In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to replace the cabin air filter in a Ford Explorer. This is a simple, quick job you can do yourself. All you need is a screwdriver and, of course, a new filter. I've included a link to the recommended filter down in the description. Let's start. Open the glove box. On the right-hand side, you'll see a small damper arm. Go ahead and disconnect it by pulling it upward and out of its slot. Now press in on the tabs on both sides of the glove box. This will let the glove box drop forward so it can tilt completely out of the way. Don't force it, just press firmly until it swings down. Behind the glove box, you'll see the rectangular cabin filter housing. There's a screw on each side holding the cover in place. Use your screwdriver to remove those screws, but be careful, you don't want them falling down into the dash. Once the screws are out, look for the two little tabs on the housing right next to where the screws were. Press both tabs at the same time and tilt the cover forward to open it. Now pull the old filter straight out. Grab your new filter and check for the airflow arrow printed on the side. In the Explorer, that arrow should point down. Gently slide the new filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush. With the filter in place, tilt the cover back up until you hear the clips on both sides snap into position. Then reinstall the two screws to lock the cover back down. Next, lift the glove box back up into place so the tabs can slip back into the dash. Once it's seated, reconnect the damper arm on the right side. Finally, test the glove box by opening and closing. Make sure it moves smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the cabin air filter in your Ford Explorer. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.